Alright guys, we got a drone deer call. It's been a while since last week. There was snow on the ground for all of gun season, so I didn't get any calls. I actually never thought about that hunters can just track deer so easily in the snow. So, should have thought of that a little sooner, but now the snow's melted and I got a call. First one in like a week and a half probably. But we're gonna go out there. Hopefully we find the deer. Wish me luck. Filling up with some gas real quick, but let me show you guys my setup while we're waiting. Got my monitor. Sorry about all the pine needles. We picked up a Christmas tree. And then I got my drone here. It's plugged into an adapter up in the front, so I just keep my car running while the customer can watch. And that's about it. Bed it down. Gotta get it closer. You think that's him? Let me get a little closer. So,
I mean, it's very similar, but it would have been that side of the deer.
well, I marked him for later. Oh, why he? I don't see any limp of any sort. So that's one option. We'll come back to him. Yeah. Well, there's something over here. Okay, here's more deer. Mm-hmm.
All those are?
The smaller ones are probably like raccoons and stuff.
Yeah, I can't imagine he would have gone much farther if he was hurt bad.
He was laying down. He got up. He didn't go further and laid back down.
Yeah, he only moved a little bit.
But that's also what the one in the backyard did.
Yeah.
So I'm confused. And they like to go in the thick brush like that before they die. So
It is no move for sure. We've dumped them up.
This one right here.
yep, that's the
Oh,
one.
that's him?
Mm-hmm. I put a marker on him in case he moves. Yeah, that'd be the exit side. Is that about what his rack was like?
One that they should put him so low that he's gonna die. For sure we got
Right, and I can honestly come back in the morning, so that's usually what I do. If we find it alive, then I'll come back the next morning. And what kind of blood was on the arrow? Was it light red or dark? Yeah, so actually liver shots can take like 7 to 9 hours. Yeah. Is that blood?
And is that back yet right there?
That's what I'm wondering.
That's what I thought. Looks like it, don't it?
That's the left side of his body.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to see if we can see the ears. Yeah, they're straight back.
what it means for a shot deer: severe alarm and injury.
Yeah, I think that's your guy. Yep. Yeah, I'll just come back in the morning. And hopefully it'll be dead. I bet you it will be. At this rate.
I mean, he was running those all night.
Really?
Yeah. And I mean, he trotted across the field when we. So I mean, it wasn't like he was going to lay down somewhere.
Yeah. So as you can see from the video last night, the deer was alive. So I'm back here this morning and hopefully it's dead. So that's what we're doing. It's a little rainy, but slight rain has never really caused much of an issue for drones from what I've heard, at least the M4T. So we're gonna give it a shot. Here we go. He was, oh, maybe it's still the same yard. He was over there where that blue spot is.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And now he's
So he just moved a little bit.
over there. Yeah, he's trying to hide probably.
Looks like
see.
he's laying the way, like dead.
Yeah, I didn't see
Most
his
of them
ears
usually
twitch.
tuck in.
Right. Yeah, he just moved a little bit, but he's definitely dead. It's funny we couldn't see any wound on that side of his body.
I know, the only thing I can think of is she maybe hit him low.
Yeah. Oh, okay, no, his head's on the ground.
Get a better angle.
Trying to find the wound. It's probably that right there.
Yep,
There it is.
yep.
He did. Yeah, it's probably a liver shot. That's why it took him a while.
Perfect.
Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna bring it back.
Yep, and I'm gonna go have her.
Alright, I'm gonna land right there. Alrighty guys, so we found the deer again and it was dead. It was a little farther away from where we had found it last night, but deer tend to do that. They'll get up one last time and try and find a little cozier or safer spot to hide. Honestly, probably from coyotes. That was one thing I'm always worried about when you come out the next day. You never know if coyotes are gonna get it. So thankfully that wasn't the case. And this was just a great example of when drones should be used to recover a deer, because they had tracked it 500 yards, pushed it out of its bed, so it was farther away, and it was off their property at that point, so they couldn't just track into other people's properties. So that's when a drone can legally fly over and scan the area, and then once we're able to pinpoint exactly which neighbor's property it's on, they can just ask permission from that neighbor. So great success, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. I'm just happy we found the deer dead today, so let's go. Bye.